Hello. Alright, so we're gonna continue the previous video. I had run out of space, so all at 6. Let's do it. Alright, so as we were saying, what you wanna do is lift the legs. Lift the legs, and you're also lifting your shoulders. And just do this stance. Let's call it inverse plank, making the name up. Do this for about 20 seconds and continue practicing engaging your core. And you do it. And then later on, we're gonna bring in the legs. Shout out to Joints. The song is called We Gonna Be Alright. It's fantastic. Alright, so just bring him in here. Whenever you exhale is whenever you're pushing out. Alright, so now we're gonna open the legs. And with one leg, on with this leg, bring the leg in. And now do the other one. And now both. So now we put everything together, so the arms and the back and the legs. Remember to lift your shoulders and then keep the legs up from the bottom. And you're putting your head forward. So to review, we'll chill. The arm comes. We're working this out. You do the same thing for the other arm. Then you lift your legs. And then you leave it like that with the legs lifted for about 20 seconds. And then you bring them in. The legs together. And then you open them. You try to do one to control it. And then both. And then light. Put everything together. Yeah? Alright. Best of luck. God bless. Peace in.